Hello guys, in this video we're gonna do something special. Yesterday I cooked ground chicken breast with vegetables and I still have some of the leftovers. What I decided, I'm gonna make a huge dumpling and I'm gonna put all these things inside and boil it right here, and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna use flour, salt, 1 egg, some milk, and I use fat-free milk, a little bit of sugar. Gonna mix it all in, make huge piece of dough. Alright, so we're gonna put some flour, some like that, and we're gonna put some salt, some sugar, so we're gonna mix it as a dry. Add some milk. We don't need a lot of milk because we need our dough to be really hard. Like that. A bit more thicker to prevent the breakness. Ground chicken right here. The chicken is cold, it's just from the fridge, so it's not hot. If you put hot, it's gonna break the dough right away. Beautiful dish right here. Look at that. Alright, so here we are, dropping it. We're gonna use this to help and put it right in. Make it float a little bit so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And you drop it. Alright. Again, wait for about 5 minutes or so. Why? Because the meat is already done there. It's already cooked. So basically we need to just cook the dough. So it should be pretty quick. Alright guys, so when it's cooked I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Alright, so you can see they raised up. So technically it means they done. But as long as we have like pretty thick dough, so I just keep it in there for a few more minutes. But when it raises, when it starts to float in the water, then it means it's kind of like done. Bam, perfect. Look at it. Amazing stuff. Let's see how it looks like inside. Okay, looking good. Let's cut it. Bra, all the tastiness comes out. Wow, look at that. Smells unbelievable. You got all the meat, all the dough, everything's cooked. I think it's success. If you want to cook it, try it. Maybe use some like ground pork or ground beef and not cooked, just raw. Just add a lot of spices to it, salt, pepper, all good stuff that you like. Put it inside of the dough, boil it for like 5-10 minutes and you're good to go. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Give me a like, subscribe, share if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.